A current of 5 ampere flowing at 220 volt in primary coil. So primary current, it is a 5 ampere, primary voltage, it is a 220 volt. If the voltage produced in the secondary coil, voltage across secondary, it is a 2200 volt, 2200 volt, and 50% of power is lost, means power in secondary is equal to 50% of power in primary. Then the current in secondary will be, so we want to find out what is the amount of current flowing through the secondary, current flowing through secondary. Now current in primary or power, primary power is equal to primary current multiplied by primary voltage. What is the primary current? Primary current is 5, primary voltage is 220. So primary power is equal to 1100 watt. Primary power is equal to what? 1100 watt. Now we know that secondary power, it was given, it is 50% loss. So it is 50% of primary power. Secondary power is 50% of primary power. It means it is 50 divided by 100 into what is the primary power? It is 1100. So this 2 and here it becomes 550. So secondary power is equal to 550 watt. Secondary power is equal to 550 watt. But we know that secondary power is equal to secondary current into voltage across secondary, and we are interested in finding secondary current. Therefore secondary current is equal to secondary power divided by secondary voltage. Secondary power is 550 divided by what is secondary voltage? 2200. So it comes to be 1 by 4, or secondary current is equal to 0.4 ampere. Secondary current is equal to 0.4 ampere. So out of 4 option, 0.25 ampere. 1 by 4 means 0.25 ampere. So option D is the correct option for this question. D is the correct option for this question.